Welcome to English for Experience. I'm ETETutor. I'm perched on the edge of a stool in my kitchen, and I thought I would just share a little bit of advice for any students who are planning on carrying on their studies this summer. I've spoken to a few people who've mentioned that they're going to do this. So as you can see, everything I've got here is for Of Mice and Men, but this will apply for any text, so it doesn't matter what you're studying. What I find helpful at the beginning when I'm first tackling a new text is to create the mind maps, but leave them blank initially, just using the very, very limited knowledge that I've got at this point in time. So you can see here, I've got some of the character names, and that's very easy. You can quickly find that out through looking through the text. But then also we've got things like vocabulary, themes, context must be around here somewhere, language, and so on. All text, you're going to need to look at these things. So if you're struggling to get started, if you make these first, get nice and organised, get a folder, get them all packed away, and then create a plan so you can work out what you're going to do when over the course of a week. Get all your resources together, so it might be actual books like this, or it could be stuff online or YouTube videos, or visiting Pinterest and seeing what you can find there. And then you can start to use all the knowledge you're gathering to fill them in bit by bit. And this might be a little bit unorthodox advice, but I don't see any harm in sitting watching some Netflix and creating these mind maps, as long as you're really concentrating when you're doing the research part. It's just a nice way to get going. Alright then, thanks as always for watching. If you have any comments, questions, just get in touch. And remember to check out the Pinterest boards as well when you're doing your research. Alright then, bye for now.